Good day, I am Mom Daisy, and today we will be dividing rational algebraic expressions. After viewing this video, you will be able to divide rational algebraic expression. In dividing rational algebraic expression, we need to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor, where b and c are not equal to 0. So in symbol, we can write it in this expression. So as you can see, we are going to multiply our dividend, which is a over b, by the reciprocal or ang baliskad. As you can see, ang d naging numerator na siya. And ang c naging denominator na siya. So that is the reciprocal. You are going to interchange it. The numerator will become the divisor or the denominator, and the denominator will become the numerator in our divisor. Let's have some examples so that we can concretize this statement. Let's find the quotient of 2x squared b over 3c and 8abc over 3c cubed. The first step is we're going to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. That means nga, sulion taanay ang aton nga divisor. So, si 3c cubed will become now our numerator. And the 8abc will become our denominator. The next step is we're going to prime factorize. Just like in multiplying rational algebraic expression, we're going to factorize our numerator and denominator, and after which we are going to cancel out common terms. After canceling out, we're going to simplify by identifying what is left in the numerator and our denominator. So, anong bilhin sa ato numerator? We have A and C times C. And in our denominator, we will have 3 times 2 times 2 times B. Simplifying it further, we will have AC squared over 12B. That is our final answer. Let's proceed to our second example. Let's find the quotient of m squared minus 2m minus 15 all over m squared minus 9 and m squared minus 6m plus 9 all over 4m minus 12. So the first step is we are going to multiply our dividend with the reciprocal of our divisor. So we're going to copy our dividend, and ang aton nga m 4m minus 12 will become our numerator, and our m squared minus 6m plus 4 or plus 9 will become now our denominator. Kay ginreciprocal ta sila. Or in Ilonggo or in Hiligaynon, we call it as suli. Ginbaliskad. Okay, that's our Hiligaynon term. After that, we are going to factorize and make sure that they are in their common terms. After canceling out the common terms, we're going to simplify what is left in our numerator and denominator. So that will be 4m minus 20 all over m squared minus 6m plus 9. Can we simplify it further? Hindi na. That means that is our final answer. Let's now try some exercises. So since this is an exercise, I will ask you to pause the video for a while as you try to solve on your own. And after you have simplified your answer, try to play the video again and let's compare our process. Let's now have our problem. So kindly get the quotient of 4x times x plus 3 all over 2x plus 1 and negative x squared times x plus 3 all over 4x squared minus 1. You can pause the video for a while as you solve for the answer. Let's now compare. So we need to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. And after that, we're going to factor our numerators and denominator, then cancel out what are the common terms. And we're going to simplify what is left in our numerator and denominator. So we will have 4 times x squared minus 1 all over x. So our final answer will be negative x minus 4 all over x. Let's proceed to our second exercise. Please divide ab minus a squared over a squared minus 1 by a minus b all over a squared plus 2a plus 1. Again, you can pause this video as you solve your answer and play the video again so that we can compare our process. Let's now compare your process. The first step is we're going to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of our divisor. So this will be our expression. After that, we're going to factor the numerators and the denominators, then cancel out our common terms. So ano ang common sa aton numerator and sa aton nga numerator? We have a minus b, and then a plus 1. May ara pa? Wala na. So that means that is already our what is left in our numerator and denominator. Then, let's simplify. Remember to write negative when dividing out factors that are opposite to each other. It may be written in the numerator or both. So, we have negative a squared plus a all over a minus 1. That is our final answer. Let's now check your understanding about how to divide our rational algebraic expression. Kindly divide these expressions and make sure that you simplify the result of your answer. The process will not be any more flash on the screen, so kindly make sure that you write your process thoroughly and simplify your answer. So the quotient of 4x over 5x minus 20 divided by x squared minus 2x all over x squared minus 6x plus 8 is 4 over 5. I hope you got it correctly, but if not, you can go back to your process and check which part did you go wrong. In our second expression, the answer is x minus 1 over 6x squared. Again, I hope that you got the correct answer, but if you're not, then go back to your process, check it again, and make sure that we have the same answer. If you got it correctly, congratulations! That means that you have already mastered how to divide rational algebraic expressions. These are the references that I used in this video. Feel free to visit the sites and these resources for you to learn more about how to divide rational algebraic expression. Thank you and have a blessed day.